Autoglass Professionals presents Christmas Gold, an amazing 3-record collection featuring all your favorite holiday classics like these smash hits.
Do you see what I see? A crack on your windshield. Autoglass, it's Christmas time in the city.
Relive all the great memories of the Yuletide season with Christmas Gold. You'll get these timeless favorites.
Everybody knows a windshield installed by professionals help to make the season bright. On the first day of Christmas, my technician gave to me a windshield delivery.
Nothing but certified show-stopping tunes on this exclusive 3-record collection.
I'm dreaming of a new windshield. Here comes AGP with your windshield needs. They'll set up your insurance claim and handle the paperwork.
Christmas Gold, a must-have this holiday season, now for just $19.95 or 5 low monthly payments of just $4. Call now.
Spring Lake Park, the Herald Angels sing. They're also in Little Canada and Eden Prairie.
One call does it all at Autoglass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.